What's going on YouTube? This is JabberTech, and today we're taking a look at some awesome cases for your OnePlus 8 Pro. This is from a company that I really like. I always purchase their Tough Armor cases. I think they're an excellent choice if you're looking for a built-in kickstand, if you're looking for durability, if you're looking for protection. Although there are a couple things that I haven't liked about this case for quite a number of years, and Spigen really hasn't addressed that just as of yet. But as you can tell, that hasn't stopped me. I think it's still an excellent case at a very affordable price. These are only about $16.99 or so. Check my link down below if you're interested in picking them up. But let's go ahead and check out the Tough Armor case together. So if we take a look at the packaging, Spigen has gone all clean on us. They have a very eco-friendly packaging, if you will. There's really nothing on the back that explains anything about it. It's a pretty simple packaging. If you need to know how to install it, go ahead and pause the video. You can figure out how to install it. Taking a look at the case, this is a very unique style. This is their Tough Armor design. It really hasn't changed all that much over the years. You might get a little iteration, a little design cue change, but basically you get kind of a two-tone case no matter which one you get. So you have the cladding on the bottom, you get like this soft rubber on the top, on the bottom, and then you have this plastic shell right in the middle. And I think it's a nice design. It's a very classic design. It's something that I actually don't mind no matter what phone I get. I always choose one of these Tough Armor cases, mainly because of this built-in kickstand. On the inside, you get this extra shock-absorbing material right on the inside, a little extra foam padding on the inside of it. Here's your Spigen seal of authenticity. On the back, this is your kickstand that I really like because it's built into the case. Really doesn't add any extra bulk. It really doesn't take away from the design of the case at all. So again, installation, super simple. Taking a look at the front of the case, the lip protection, as I give you this 360 bird's eye view, you can tell that there is a little bit of lip protection in the front, but as the name suggests, Tough Armor, I don't think this is as much as they could have included. I think they should have beefed up the lips a little bit more, sort of like what's on an OtterBox, but that's just my opinion. Let me know down in the comments below. And if you do have a tempered glass, it is tempered glass friendly, at least with the one I have here. Now if we take a look at the side here, you get a little advertising for Spigen Tough Armor right over there. Here's your power button, here's your alert slider, and no issues with this alert slider. You can see that the power button has a nice little PWR on it, and this is the problem that I've had with all of these Tough Armor cases. And again, let me know down in the comments below if you agree with me, but I just don't like that the power button and the volume up and down buttons are flush with the case. Because when you take this phone out of your pocket, it's really hard to distinguish between the volume down and volume up when you're in a hurry. But I just kind of wish either they'd raise one of the buttons or give one of the buttons an extra texture. I know I keep buying this case just because of the protection and the price. I think the value of this case is excellent. Again, you have some accents, a little design cues on all the four corners, just reminding you that you have that air cushion technology in all the four corners. So if you hit a corner while it drops, it should bounce back without any issue. Taking a look at your back camera protection, your camera is definitely well protected, and that's where the name Tough Armor comes from. Again, I think the Spigen Tough Armor is a really great value, $16.99, gives you a nice looking case, built-in kickstand, and pretty much it's the only case you'll ever need to buy if you don't like having a case collection. Your bottom cutouts, all perfect, definitely what you'd expect from a top name case manufacturer like Spigen. Taking a look at the kickstand, it's super convenient just to kind of pop out and place on the table when you're out at a coffee shop and you just want to watch something as you eat lunch, drink that coffee, whatever you're doing. So I really like this design, and while it is a little bit flimsy, it is a plastic kickstand. I've never really had any issues with them. They just pop right into place, no problems at all. This has been a quick look at the Spigen Tough Armor case for your OnePlus 8 Pro. Let me know what you think about this case down in the comments below. Again, I think it's excellent value, excellent protection. I think it's a case that if you only want to pick up one or you're looking for that kickstand case, look no further. The Tough Armor case is the way to go. But I really appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.